Okay, hello, Spell 3. I am sorry I'm not there with you today. Hopefully, I said goodbye to everybody on Friday. If I did not, I miss you. I love you. I will see you next year. And if I don't see you next year, big sad. Okay, so now I told a little bit of a lie. I told you your grade was locked on Friday, and it was, but there's one more assignment that I'm going to put in today, and that is this reflection assignment. So right now, I've gone ahead and earmarked everyone to get a 100 on this assignment. So if you do it, that's what's going to happen. But if the substitute writes me an email after school today and tells me that you did not do this in class, I will change that 100 to a 0 before it locks in at 3:05 or about 3:15. All right, so please take 25 minutes to do this today. And after you and take it seriously, it's very important to me. And after you finish, that's it. All right, here we go. What are you doing today? You're going to be doing a reflection writing. You're going to be thinking about yourself this year in spell. You're going to be thinking about how did I grow? What was my strength, my weakness? Think about your beginning of the year work and your end of the year work. Okay. So in order to do this, you need to open up a bunch of tabs for me. Okay. You need to open up tab 1. You need to open up your baseline spell sheet. This goes all the way back September 2022. So you go to Google Classroom here, you go to classwork, all right? You scroll from classwork page, you scroll all the way down to September, and you look for this final week of baseline testing, baseline spell points, and you open up this document. Because on this document, on the second page, you wrote a reflection at the beginning of the year. And I want you to start off by reading that. Read about yourself and what you thought about yourself in the first in the first month of school. Okay, so that's one thing you're going to open up. Other things you're going to open up are today I posted the end of year spell points, your final spell points, and I also posted the reflection document for today. Finally, the fourth tab you're going to open up is your final baseline data sheet. So you're going to have 4 tabs open. You're going to have final reflection sheet, end of year spell points, final baseline data sheet, and that baseline spell point sheet from the beginning of the year. You're going to need all of these to do the assignment today. Okay? So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at that end of year baseline, end of year spell point sheet, and you're going to transfer all your data over into your final reflection document. Okay, you're going to start off by thinking about what were your baseline points, right? And looking at the average baseline points compared to your classmates. You're going to look at how many points did you earn plus how many. That's in the middle here. That's the middle column, spell points earned. This is how many you earned. And then you're going to think about your final ending points. And I put the averages here so you can kind of think about, compare yourself to, an average spell student in other classes. Now, once you have those numbers, then you're ready to answer just 6 short questions about yourself. Okay? So you're going to start off by analyzing your beginning of the year. Then you're going to look at your spell points earned. All right, and analyze what you've worked on the most, what you've worked on the least. Then you're going to just talk about your feelings of what you've improved, what skill you've improved the least, and what's difficult for you. You're going to look up here at this list of activities and think about what activities have really helped you this year. And you're going to look at your final end of year spell points final, and you're just going to think about your goals for next year. Okay. Now, once you have all of these questions, you need to answer 30 words each. Okay, these are not short little things. I want you to put some thought into these, because once you have these finished, the last step is on the bottom right here. I want paragraph form. Write yourself a little letter. Dear me, here's what happened this year in spell class. So you're going to record your data, answer these questions, and then give me a little 150 word writing in paragraph form. Write a letter to yourself. Okay, and once you do that, you're finished for the day. All right? Have fun. Really take this a little bit seriously for me, please, because all of you, every single one of you has grown this year. That's right. Even you, Zui. Even you. All right. Peace.